Hello everyone, and welcome back to Coding Realm. Today, we're diving into one of the most influential companies of our time, Google. From its humble beginnings as a search engine in a garage to becoming a global tech powerhouse, Google's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Stick around to learn how Google was built, its history, and the groundbreaking projects that continue to shape the world. Google, one of the most influential companies in the world, was founded in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, two Stanford University PhD students with a vision to organize the world's information in a way that was fast, efficient, and relevant. The journey began as a research project called Backrub, which introduced a groundbreaking algorithm to rank web pages based on the number and quality of their backlinks, an approach that later evolved into the famous PageRank system. This innovative method of determining web page relevance set Google apart from other search engines of the time. The name Google itself was inspired by the mathematical term Google, representing the number 1 followed by 100 zeros, symbolizing the founder's mission to manage and organize the immense and ever-growing amount of information on the Internet. The company's early days were modest, operating out of a garage in Menlo Park, California, which belonged to Susan Wojcicki, who would later become the CEO of YouTube. Despite its humble beginnings, Google quickly gained attention for its clean, minimalist homepage, which contrasted with the cluttered designs of competing search engines, and for its powerful ability to deliver relevant search results rapidly. Early investments, including a $100,000 check from Sun Microsystems co-founder Andy Bechtolsheim, allowed Google to expand its operations and cement its position as a leader in search technology. By the year 2000, Google had become the world's largest search engine, indexing over 1 billion web pages and revolutionizing how people accessed and navigated the Internet. Its innovative approach to advertising, particularly through its AdWords platform, further fueled its growth, transforming Google into a tech giant that would continue to innovate in areas like email, cloud computing, mapping, and mobile technology. Today, as part of its parent company Alphabet Incorporated, Google remains committed to its core mission, to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful, continuing to shape the digital age with the same pioneering spirit that marked its beginnings. Google's rise from a small startup to a global empire is a story of relentless innovation, strategic decisions, and an unwavering commitment to its mission of organizing the world's information. After its founding in 1998, Google quickly gained attention for its revolutionary search algorithm, which provided faster, more relevant results than its competitors. Its minimalist homepage and user-friendly design further solidified its appeal. The company expanded rapidly, fueled by early investments and its groundbreaking advertising platform, AdWords, which allowed businesses to target specific audiences with precision and became a major revenue driver. Google's focus on user experience and technological excellence led to the development of complementary services like Gmail, Google Maps, and Google News, creating an interconnected ecosystem of tools that millions relied on daily. With the acquisition of YouTube in 2006, Google entered the burgeoning video sharing space, solidifying its dominance in online media. Its Android operating system revolutionized the mobile industry, making smartphones more accessible and integrating users further into its ecosystem. Google also invested heavily in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and hardware, pushing the boundaries of innovation. Today, as part of Alphabet Incorporated, Google's empire extends far beyond search, encompassing ventures in self-driving cars, health tech, and smart devices, while continuing to shape how people interact with technology on a global scale. Google has built its reputation not only as a search engine giant but also as a powerhouse of innovation, spearheading projects that have transformed technology in everyday life. One of its most influential ventures is Android, the open-source mobile operating system acquired in 2005, which has become the backbone of billions of devices worldwide, democratizing access to smartphones and apps. Google Earth, launched in 2005, revolutionized digital mapping by offering users an immersive way to explore the world through satellite imagery and 3D mapping. The company has also been a pioneer in autonomous vehicle technology through Waymo, a self-driving car project that began in 2009, aiming to make transportation safer and more accessible. In the realm of artificial intelligence, Google has made monumental strides, including developing Google AI, which powers advancements in natural language processing, image recognition, and tools like Google Assistant, a virtual assistant that integrates seamlessly into daily life. Google's DeepMind subsidiary has further pushed AI boundaries, achieving breakthroughs in areas like protein folding and energy efficiency. Other notable projects include Google Cloud, which provides businesses with scalable and secure cloud computing solutions, and cutting-edge hardware like Pixel smartphones and Nest smart home devices. Google's continuous investment in future technologies underscores its mission to innovate across diverse fields, from virtual reality and augmented reality to renewable energy and quantum computing, making it a leader in shaping the technologies of tomorrow. While Google has achieved tremendous success, it has also faced significant challenges and controversies over the years, ranging from antitrust lawsuits to privacy concerns. One of its most persistent issues has been its dominance in online search and digital advertising, leading to allegations of monopolistic practices and regulatory scrutiny from governments worldwide. The company has faced several antitrust lawsuits in the United States, the European Union, and other regions, with accusations of unfairly prioritizing its own services in search results and stifling competition. Privacy concerns have also been a major source of controversy, with critics arguing that Google collects excessive amounts of user data through its various services, raising questions about surveillance and the ethical handling of personal information. The company has also been criticized for its role in spreading misinformation and harmful content on platforms like YouTube, despite efforts to implement stricter content moderation policies. Internally, Google has grappled with employee protests over issues such as workplace discrimination, unequal pay, and controversial projects like Project Maven, an AI program developed for military purposes, and its once-planned censored search engine for China, codenamed Dragonfly. Additionally, the company has been accused of tax avoidance, using complex financial strategies to minimize its tax obligations in various countries. These challenges highlight the complexities of managing a global tech empire, balancing innovation with ethical responsibilities, and navigating the intricate dynamics of public trust, regulatory compliance, and corporate accountability. Google, beyond being a tech giant, has a quirky and fun side with plenty of fascinating tidbits that showcase its unique culture and history. For instance, the first ever Google server was built in a custom casing made from Lego bricks, highlighting the founder's resourcefulness and creativity. The company's iconic motto, "Don't be evil," reflected its early commitment to ethical practices, though it has since been retired as a formal slogan. Google is also famous for its whimsical Easter eggs and April Fool's Day pranks, such as the ability to play Atari's Breakout on Google Images or the introduction of fictitious products like Google Gulp. The search engine's clean, minimalist homepage is a result of co-founder Larry Page's lack of HTML coding knowledge at the time. The company's headquarters, affectionately called the Googleplex, is known for its employee-friendly perks, including free gourmet meals, nap pods, and bikes for commuting around the campus. Google has even left its mark on language, as the term Google was officially added to the dictionary as a verb in 2006, meaning to search for information on the Internet. Moreover, Google celebrates its birthday on September 27th, but this date has shifted over the years, making it a bit of a moving target. Even the name Google itself was the result of a spelling error. It was meant to reference Google, the mathematical term for the number 1 followed by 100 zeros. From its playful doodles on the homepage to its innovative workplace culture, Google has always embraced a sense of fun and creativity alongside its technological ambitions. Google's story is one of innovation, ambition, and constant evolution. Whether you're using their search engine, navigating with maps, or watching videos on YouTube, Google's impact on our daily lives is undeniable. What do you think about Google's journey and its role in shaping the future? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the world of technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.